Bankruptcy Myths, brought to you by the Sterling Bankruptcy Center.
There's a rumor out there that only irresponsible people file for bankruptcy. That's simply not true. The vast majority of people who file for bankruptcy are honest, hardworking individuals who suffered some life-altering event, such as a disability, a divorce, a death in the family, or a job loss. Many times these people will spend months, if not years, trying to dig themselves out of their financial hole. They'll deplete their 401k, their IRAs, and their life savings when they don't have to. Bankruptcy offers you alternatives. It can help. If you find yourself in financial difficulty, don't wait until it's too late. Don't wait until they foreclose on your home, garnish your wages, or repossess your vehicle. Contact an experienced bankruptcy attorney to find out what your options are. They'll be able to sit down with you and tell you whether you qualify for bankruptcy or whether there's alternatives to bankruptcy. I'm Janet Solkowski from the Law Offices of Sterling Bankruptcy Center.